Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just reset the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to reset your phone by holding the power button. I know it's a little bit obvious, but sometimes it works. Okay. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices, and in the most accessories you have to enable appear mode. How to do it you will find in the manual. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds. You have to check it by yourself. Maybe you will find the solution in your YouTube channel. So check it, and if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but not for your phone, you can also go to the settings, choose connection and sharing, and tap on the reset Wi-Fi mobiles and Bluetooth. Choose reset settings, configure pattern, and configure it by OK. Then look for your device. You can also try to update your system. How to do it? You have to open the Apple phone, check the MIUI version, and if you have any update available, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device like a laptop, just device with the Bluetooth connection, to check which one is visible, which one making a problem. Here, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.